So I'm here today to share with you all this wig that I've been wearing by OUTRE, and to make sure that I do have its name and its specs and everything else correctly about it, I'm going to read it to you from its packaging. So I'm rocking the OUTRE inspired by Brazilian boutique. It is a lace front wig made with free parting that you can easily shift from side to side. It's curl iron safe, it's flat iron safe up to 400 degrees. The style name is called Body, and the color I'm wearing is 1B. This is what it's going to look like when you see it on the packaging. That is the model that is on the packaging. And this is Miss Body when you rip her out of the packaging. Literally, when you get her out the packaging, this is exactly what she is going to look like. There wasn't much manipulation I needed to do to this wig, and the reason why I'm gonna say there wasn't much manipulation, because I did the bare minimum, which was cut the lace off of the wig and then add my face powder in on this parting space just to brighten it up so it can appear more visible. Other than those two things, that was all I did to this wig. What you see is what you are definitely going to get. I believe the name Body, you know, the style name Body speaks for itself, because this here is it's freaking gorgeous. And I noticed on the packaging it said that it's inspired by Brazilian boutique. So if they mean that it's inspired by some type of Brazilian hair texture, well then honey, you about to have the bundle hair look without the bundled hair course, because this wig is definitely giving off that bundled hair vibe. Okay, it is absolutely gorgeous. So this is what it's looking like in the front. This is what it's going to look like, and I'm gonna turn around and give you some side and the back view. But just be mindful that when I turn around to the back, if you see any spacing, it is only because I have the hair, you know, coming to the front. So this is what she's looking like from the front. Absolutely loving it. This is what she's looking like from the front. This is her from the side. You know, you want to get your side view. This is her from the side. Gorgeous. And I'm going to turn around so you see what she's looking like from the back. Here's what she's looking like from the back. The hair is very, very long. She's very, very long. She's about, I want to say, give or take, maybe she's about 26 inches. I'm thinking, yeah, maybe about 24 to 26 inches. This is what she's looking like in the back. I'm loving the movement that she got going on with her. Loving how that free flows. This is her from the side again. From the side. And this is her from the front if you want to have her, you know, going back. But I like to bring my hair forward like this. But on that note, dolls, this pretty much just concluded the video. I'm definitely impressed by this wig here. And when it comes to OUTRE, they do have like an inspired boutique bundled hairline, and this is part of their inspired Brazilian boutique line. So yeah, OUTRE, if you're watching this, your girl, I'm definitely impressed. For real, dolls, this just concluded the video. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. And if you haven't yet subscribed to the MzGlamourAddict YouTube channel, hit that subscribe button and join in on an amazing official Glam Dolls community. My name is MzGlamourAddict, all of the official Glam Dolls. And when I say official, that means subscribe Glam Dolls. They call me MGA. I'm all about being a beauty on a budget who loves not breaking bank for a fabulous look, exactly like what I just showed you right here. Because remember, I said you're going to get the bundled hair look without the bundled hair course. For real. For real, if you haven't subscribed yet, hit the subscribe button. And also keep in mind, we still got to stay socially connected. I am on Facebook, I'm on Instagram, and I'm on Twitter with more beauty alerts and fab beauty on a budget finds. And I will see you all in another video again shortly. Later, dolls.